What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Some people who have a bag of things are going with Rosealee TikTok lawyer and some other people who are different Rosealee and who are beat Rosealee too. You know what I mean? I see what I go on. I don't know who started, how it start. You see what I know, it's a foolishness I go on. You see TikTok lawyer say Rosealee don't care about her youth them because she never did a look now for the youth them stay when them they both when them they around she, but as them left now and the government have them, she want go move go close to Akeem. You see me I say it's obvious my people. I don't know if I'm man Rosealee love or she just love the lifestyle because she never lived them the type of life there before. You see me, everything new to her. So I feel like she had that kind of intrigue her mostly. The man also, but the lifestyle I feel so that's one of the things we play a role with she wanting to do certain things, and then you know what I mean, some of the backlash where she get and the things them where I mean her place where she come from and them something there. When mother advise anybody for left, you see it. To all of the things them where I go on, mother advise anybody. A long time I say Rosealee need to left from this, so you see it. So we also have Brit and Zozo my people from last night them a war, from yesterday them a war. Brit must drag down a piece of food and Zozo and Brit feel buy animal and them something there. You see, I feel like see understand Zozo and take Brit money still. You see, cause me no feel like say Zozo genuine anymore when it come to Brit. I feel say I use him, I use her to a level. Him know the type of person who him did there with. You see me I say when him start look and then eventually there with, you see it. Brit love her rum and her weed and them something there. And Brit kinda have a mind of her own. Brit a mad woman. You see me? And it look like he might try to change her also. But me feel like say him want her things and the style. You see it? So I want to tell me what I think. We are going to get in it, and as we say we have a couple more things, so we could jump in it my people.
You understand what I say? You know, surprising. You know, give me a wow. You understand? You know what would have given me a wow? If my daughter name was mentioned or my kids was mentioned, then would I get a wow. You understand? I could even maybe I could even get a wow like that neither, because as I say, you have to know the type of people I'm amongst and their reputation. So don't know surprising. I will keep it moving, right? Right. Because simple, right, Pepper? Because honestly to God, I sit down here say yesterday and I only did a speak. I never did a shout. I never did a do the most. I never did a suck your mother. I never did a big putty girl. I never did a do all of that. But when I see some screen record, not even some screen record, one screen record. Because only for screen record, but I pass them. But when I say one screen record about Kitty trying to use Shay say Kitty are trying to use her. That's not possible. Because I don't know if Shay not understand. I don't know if she not listen. I don't know if she not remember or she have Alzheimer. But how am I using you? It would be the two of us using each other. Because remember, it was before Jaden, it was me and you sit on the screen for hours and days and weeks. And even when you claim that you're not ranking, remember you come out and said, Kit, you're not ranking. Remember, you know, you say you're not ranking. You don't feed TikTok, don't feed you. I'm gonna sit down on the screen with you for days and you play matches with me. And it was okay. And then on the other hand, you said that on my birthday, you tell me that you're ranking. On my birthday, you tell me you're ranking and I turn my back and do my makeup. No, from a girl like me, where birthday never come out good from the start. Because my ear never get to do, my lash never get to do, my nails never get to do. Nothing never get to do. My nana babysitter, nothing never get to do. And me there have a down moment from the night. You used to say Kitty ear no do. You never come and say Kitty, oh your ear no do, girl. You never come and say nothing. And it was okay because you're not woman no obligation for even ask me what go on for yourself or no. You don't even tell me happy birthday and it was okay. Me never make a big deal out of it. Me never make a big deal out of it because it's okay. Nobody owe anybody any obligation on here. You understand what I say? So I am saying this. You are saying you tell me that you're ranking. Remember, I was the one that tell you about Life Face. Remember, I sit on that screen with you for hours and telling you about Life Face, looking on my next phone, trying to tell you how far you are in the face. So how am I using you? I am not using you. How may I use you? How may I use you? Me not understand that alone get my puzzle. Like, oh, the girl I say me I use her. How may I use her? Me not use you. Me not need to use you. I need to use you. Queenie chat Kitty. I say Kitty never pick up VR or whatever. Me I say, but of course, me tell me 2 cents about it. I say, of course. Of course. I say, of course. I say, of course, I say me 2 cents about it. I say, Queenie not do that. About it, I say, Queenie not do that. Why about it? I say, Queenie not do that. Why Queenie would that? About it, I say, Queenie not do that. If I come from William Street, yet come off from a blood clot like so, okay, mama. Anyways, that it's okay. More than I just one screen record me really listen to when y'all say me I use you, me I try use you. What? I'll try use come in, shake get it together, yeah, girl. I mean, sit down with you for hours. Me even come off of my live when you even say I rank up for the life the same way. I remember at 2 days back to back, my company live, I said, how far you reach? At 2 days, my company live, I said, how far you reach? Me even send you 2 galaxy. I can't forget. And you say, thank you, sister. I mean, you send you 2 galaxy with your live face. When you do the live face. And I mean, tell about it and I tell you, say, come on, you got, with Los Angeles or whatever. So how may I use you? True, me never rank with you on my birthday. You're being selfish. Me not suck your pussy. And your kids, they have to put before everybody, and me have to put my kids before anything. And my kids, them alone could have get my birthday. Nobody else. And that goes for everything, everybody. That goes for everybody. Nobody make you put them before your birthday. So I never go sit down and rank with you for my birthday. I never even know say that you carry belly for me for. I never know them there's something they are going. Because honestly to God, my birthday wasn't it. I only did give God thanks for life. And my little team did come out for me and make me feel like me have one little piece of my birthday. And my little team, they make me feel like I have a little piece of birthday, because birthday never eat at all. Birthday, that was just a day. But promise, no.
You don't like when I pussy back, I saw it go. So if everybody want to go get mad because I say me have much energy, I want if a time people are disrespect me now in the comments and not allow them. So what if my people in my comments disrespect you now? You do the same thing to me. So me I do it back. I the new year now, I say me have much energy. What the fuck everybody are come after me for?
Alright, my people, me can say this, right? You see on TikTok, everybody use everybody. So the cat woman I say she say the cat woman I use her. Yeah, everybody I use everybody. I saw TikTok work. Me hear somebody say something yesterday. Me don't remember which live me did I share with Uno. And the person said nobody no loyal on TikTok. You know what I mean? And nobody no love nobody. You see me? Where them love and where them loyal to? is the money where them I get. And the sooner these people on TikTok realize that, I better for them. Make you watch some more.
No different, you know, bro. I'm telling you something. When I realize me and everybody kick off, and what you say, the whole enemy gang up and group up on them one another, box them and keep everything. And I mean, I don't know why you say every day, hold it like a gym. A militant, bro. The people, them, I never, if me and you are friend, me and Jalen are friend, and anybody with him and them not talk. And because me and him kick off, now me go friend them back. So, no matter, I'm not real. Me and none of them friend, I'm not like on the same way. That's why I always stay far from people. No fake, bro. No fake. Cause the whole on enemy, me I don't know what school, I don't have enemy, I don't share the same enemy like me. All of a sudden now the whole on the turn friend and a group up, on a fake, and I mean I don't sit around to see me a militant, I watch the whole on keep life, pack up in a box. On fake, bro, I'm not militant. No for all your own same way. Me and share no friend, but me and a girl still no friend, I still not like you. Fuck your mother. So it go. I'm not militant, bro. I'm not militant, none at all. We need friends and gag up and group up. If you just sit down and bring down one somebody, the whole one came up in a life a group. That time there, that last night when the whole one group up, you know, and money me I make, you know. Last night when the whole one group up in a box over there, now money me I make, you know, bro. Ask the people them. Say so the bag I go back and forth to them and now go do it. I say me how much energy in this way there. Today is Sunday I wanna get up on my name. I say me how much energy. What the problem? I there's some of them bro. The same energy. I always tell everybody. Jaden the writer so I tell him me how much energy. The same energy you show me, that me I show you. Him show me nothing about realness. So I gotta show him for realness. So but that's the problem. I found the problem that any energy him show me, I show him back. And there's somebody there right now. Uno fake. I can't deal with that. Me have much energy. And that me depend right now. Anything where you allow me, allow that shit too. What the fuck can I do, bro? And there's somebody dog. Me never back and forth cussing or doing an argument with nothing at all. When I saw one I say, I'm so me I say already. I'm done, bro. I'm done. Me not in that.
Real. Respect people.
I just did somebody right now. All of a sudden everybody want to come say, why is she and the people them a fall? I start to say me get hype. It's not hype. It's called matching energy. And I hype. Me not change. Me are the same person. It's just that me limit pan the bag of cussing and the bag of mix up. And there's somebody. And that me tell you no, me limit. And I say me get high, me just say me limit on certain things. But me say me how much energy, all of a sudden everybody want to come for me, cause me say me how much energy. The same you want to treat me, bro, so me a deal with no dog. Don't deal me like me a pussy and then me come smile with and laugh. And me love you as a friend and sister, me not dep on that, bro. Them days they done, it done. Me a stand up on my foot now, stop treating me like me a pussy and then when me start treating you like una a pussy, una vex. We have much energy. Where the fuck gonna take this thing from me? For real, too, una fake to me. And smiling on my face and I laugh and I know so una fake. You're crazy, man. Una mad. Wanna take this thing too. Me don't know what they're on, bro. And there's somebody there right now. So if I saw the case where, because me say me have much energy, only for people are gonna go from around me, fine. God bless me for show me the people them where they around me. Wanna for go on, bro. Go on. Go. Me not have a problem. Cause me not lose nothing. And I like when me there run on me I gain nothing. Me not gain nothing, bro. More than problem and me put myself in a problem and mix up. Me a big woman, bro. Me can't take accountable for anything what me do in a life. More than say, me not gain nothing from you. All me gain is be a problem and mix up on myself. Me I walk a buy out argument phone, I cuss people phone, I bring down people phone, I wanna give me pure disrespect. Go on and leave me alone. Me not lonely. Me not lonely, bro. Me not lonely, dog. All me gain for myself a peer enemy. All about the place. Just because of someone. Me gain enemy for myself. I love that. Coming on a bag of people I beg me and a this and a that. But for the enemy them, I always make them be my enemy them. too. And I just me have to go cut out that little thing that I have about myself. Me have friends and should because phone enemy them, me make them be my enemy. And I realize my enemy them is not phone enemy. When you laugh and chat and gang up with them, that done. A new year now, that shit cut, bro. That shit cut. Look who is somebody who has a friend when I say a Jaden. Nobody else can get my company so come short. Jaden and my moderator and my sister them. The rest of them, fuck the fuck off. Cause you not defend me when I need to do it. And me have to always defend myself. Me not nobody a defend me, bro. But my woman in my corner every day in my back. Me not want a friend from no go on go dog. Cause me not gain nothing since me there on no. All me do again enemy for myself every blood clot day. Because my enemy them, I fool the friend them. I fool the enemy them, I know my blood clot friend them. I'm my enemy them too. I'm too real fool no dog. Go on go alone me bro. If you don't want to see me get hype, I just saw me not give a fuck dog. You know? I just saw me thing the dog. And me always tell you now. Anything on the say about the youth here, me always tell you, me always defend him, me always have him back see me. Me don't care what no one say. Secret or no secret, video or no video, pay or no pay, that don't have nothing to do with me. Cause the youth show me real, genuine love. You crazy? Anybody will show me them side of them, then nothing at all what them doing in this world. Them can't wrong for me and motor see me to come. Me always tell them the truth whether them like it or not. Pan the live, pan the phone, I saw me do him. Me not afraid to tell him the truth. No time. Anything him do, me always tell him, Jaden, you're wrong. Don't do that. Leave that. When I go like say me can't hold him and drape him and grab him and say, stop do that, stop do that. Me tell himself to stop, but if no one listen, not for listen. Me a big woman and Jaden a big man, them do what the fuck we want do. Me not control him. More than likely if me tell him to stop and him no want listen, that's up to him. But every little thing, share this and share that, Jaden this and Jaden that. What the fuck, bro? But find on a friend them. You don't know really, you don't know genuine love. You don't know when people love people certain way. You don't start to say who have secret for who have this, who have pay who. What the fuck, bro? You not used to nothing. I'm not used to nothing at all. I'm just used to peer fake people around on every blood clot day. And Kiki can't tell on and say, yeah, girl, me like your ear. Yeah, girl, your mouth smell good. Even though your mouth not smell good, them tell us say it smell good. Me know, me smell your mouth, me carry one side and tell you. What the fuck? I'm different from one. Kiki can't laugh for the girl, man. When one and the girl them fall out, big pussy girl, what do you mean you go out? Your mouth did stink. On crazy. You're so no good, you don't know. You're so no good, you don't know, bro. On a fake as fuck. And no girl when me on used to talk on the media, on the tell me say me look good when me on no talk, on tell me say me stay bad. Me no listen to no, you once was a fan. You forget? You once was a fan. So no matter me and a time when you tell me you start the class, me tell me say me stay bad and me this and me that. You once was a fan, you already give me a compliment, bitch. So if you tell me say me stay bad now, fuck that shit, you don't compliment me. I just say there. Yeah. Jaden Wharton. Yeah? Jaden. So why go shit now?
I realize you don't know the holiday lion feel. You can't make one. I realize you don't know it. How much I get? About 4 now? I realize you don't know it feel. Hello?
It's not like it's got.
Yeah, but in a light up.
So, we can get one holiday lion.
People, all me have to say be a hypocrite up on TikTok and everybody loyal to the money. That's all me have to say. We can move on to the next.
He started to put his hand on me. I was so shocked and embarrassed at the same time. I run to the phone to end the live. It was 851 people that was watching at the time. It was an embarrassing moment for me. I'm still embarrassed till this day.
So you didn't hit him?
Yeah, I put on 2 lickers, but that not really doing nothing.
You're not playing no more? Oh.
Oh, you go. Well, as I said though, you know, I'm not for the woman putting hand on the woman thing, but I'm sorry to hear that happen on the live, and I'm sorry to hear you guys couldn't resolve things peacefully, you know.
Yeah, it's really sad, you know.
So you know send me that screen record in the wifey? You playing stone for
Oh,
you playing stone to Brit?
Yeah, I was swinging a stone and stuff.
But
Yeah, I know
put
you're
your
part of the
blood
wife.
clot, girl.
I have my days, you know. I have my days. Yeah.
Why break me afraid free comment, but the whole I comment. Me afraid free the comments, but the whole I them say you make a man
read them
first.
in my mind, living legend. Me not read them out loud. Me.
They say you're harassing. They say you're harassing, and then get up and fight you.
No, he's lying. He might tell people somebody lick him in the head with Hennessy buckle. When I lick him in the head that hard with the buckle, that the buckle did go cut him. And I just push off the head with the Hennessy buckle. And that's when he started fighting me.
So,
But I never...
but you still have a DP though, me like that, sir.
No, I'm not taking my husband down my ear.
But you have to take it down for make it stay.
No.
One day, and I mean say relationship then, Brit.
Well, I'm taking a friend to my house. I don't know how is he gonna feel about that. I don't care. So it's like I say, we're over for real. I'm true. I'm cool with that.
Guys,
I'm tired.
catch his speed. 4 price of 4 rows.
Catch your speed, please, guys. What they good?
Guys, 4 price of 4 rows.
How the muck up, bro?
Guys, 2 more price of 2 rows. Come in, guys. Catch your speed now. Catch your speed, guys. Catch your speed, please. How much Nari then come on, check out. Me no want nobody come fight. Me can't customize anything I don't. So me not read no comment them. Me not read them out loud. Me read them in
All
my
I'm saying is,
mind.
Britty. All I'm saying is, Britty, you look beautiful, you know. And I see that you're not finished as yet. And I hope you enjoy your day the best you can. And let's go on your thing. What do you, mother?
Yeah, true.
I think Zayo gone too. That's what I'm saying. Let's enjoy your day.
So what you doing? What you doing? What you putting on? What you doing? Straightening it or curling it?
Straightening it.
Oh, it's a bob.
Yeah, it's a bomb.
Well, I hope you guys don't fight anymore. Okay?
Alright.
Yeah, no more fighting, Brit. No more fighting.
We won't be fighting anymore because we're no longer together, so we shouldn't fight.
In no someone left?
Yeah, because him call me yesterday and tell me say the right off. When somebody say a right off, what that mean? It means say you're done with the person, right? So he called me yesterday and say if me know some right off, I'm not say nothing.
Me not know what that means.
You know when one vehicle right off it done for. Like that, say I say me right off with him. You understand?
Okay.
So I'm not really say nothing to him.
So you're not fight for your relationship?
I fight enough. I'm fight enough yesterday. And I'm embarrassed.
But yesterday you never fight Pete, you did a fight him.
Yeah, yesterday was a fight in there for me. I don't like that. I don't like it.
Well, beautiful. As I said, you know, violence is not something that should be introduced to a relationship.
Not my
just
cup
enjoy
of
your
tea,
Sunday.
guys. Not my cup of tea. Honestly, not my cup of tea.
You know, so you can't go over Brit Live. You don't have to come over my live, you know. You can't go over Brit Live or over Living Legend Live. You know, say me and one of them were nice, right? You can't go over that live. Yeah. Respectful.
Why you would send them over here? Any spirit that she don't want, don't come over here,
Yeah.
please. I rebuke you in the name of the Lord, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. Don't come.
I'm gonna know what the fuck when I come over my life. You know me? You know something nice? Anyways, Brit, me know why you're fighting no more. You're a nice, pretty girl, and you're beautiful. I don't want you to be fighting anymore.
Yeah, good one.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you so much, my
I
son.
mean, you know, when I reach up, I'm here already.
Like, black that girl in my life. What the fuck she over here share my life for? Black that girl when you in Dali out of my life. Black her. Bitch, come on for this.
Well, alright. You want to play one more or no gun?
Yeah, you want to play one more, Brit?
One more. We can play one more.
Alright, my baby.
Let's come up a screen, child. Come up a screen.
That's all you remember, Brit. A lot of people love you, you know? That's all you remember. A lot of people love you, and a lot of people love you.
Of course, Brit, that's up,
Yeah, a
y'all.
lot of people love you. Big up yourself and it's one day right, you know?
For everybody for the match.
Oh.
For everybody for the match.
Where am I? My boo.
The people, Zozo head no good and Brit head no good neither. Two mad people of in our relationship. You see me I say it best it done. Because a long time I see fool in the shagwan and we don't know what go on behind closed doors behind the camera. You see me I say when the camera lock off and something, so if it done because them we hurt each other pan a level where, you know what I mean, we are gonna say John was star, you know what I mean? So this relationship ending is something good, you know what I mean? Nobody not feel no way because of two mad people them. You see it? So Brit says she gonna bring a man guy yard, make us see how that goes. So make us watch some more people and then move on to the next.
Thank you for the heart, you know, guys. Do the triple, guys. Do the triple, guys. Do the triple.
Trip on the triple, child. Trip on the triple.
Guys, do the triple.
Guys, any
Shoot,
question
child.
with this
Shoot on the triple, child. Shoot. 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 That's it, clock. The level up cake. Pretty eye, Bonnie.
Guys, do the triple, guys. Do the triple.
Guys, any question?
Hi, guys. Open. Yeah, she's definitely coming back. She's definitely finding back herself. We love that. Yeah, she coming back. Brit, I look like she lose weight too. You losing some weight, Brit?
No, not really.
Oh, your face kind of look a little bit slimmer than the other day when we were playing.
Must be the wig. Must be the wig, girl. The wig is doing something for me. The magic.
You're either a soft girl era right now.
The magic.
Yeah.
The magic, my friend, the magic.
But there, the soft girl, but there, she does look nice. She does look nice. She does look nice. She does look nice. I remember myself originally from long time, Brit, a pretty look good girl with shape good, you know, body big and them something, you know. Yeah. Guys, catch a speed, please. Guys, catch a speed.
Catch a speed, let me check my picture.
Two perfume, guys. Two perfume.
Guys, 40 pounds to get to speed. 40 pounds to get to speed.
Oh, she's not. She's not. Trixie, want me, baby?
40 pounds to get to speed. 40 pounds to get to speed. If I put 40 pounds up now, two perfume. Two donuts.
Guys,
Two donuts.
we not two perfume.
Guys, two donuts.
Two donuts.
Two perfume, please. check.
Bring up his speed. Alright, that is it.
Look, but you know, some still hurt me, but me will out.
Thank you, wifey.
It hurt me.
Ginger, you would have forgot to ask Brit that, you know, I can't answer that alone. Honestly, guys, you know, if you never tell me about this, I wouldn't know about this, you know. I never know for them fight, but true. I never know. First, I know. I never know for them fight.
Too much slackness and support. Life I take the mama bad at foreign now. She want the money for buy paper, send for Kaylan and sort out the man where she have over there. Eh? Yeah. Because him have to walk and mind, man, comes what may. Comes what may. That's what she did with the $62 million. So she want to do it again now with the 200,000. Kaylan mama a thief. And Kaylan is it too. Yeah. The mother they are foreign the mother there. The mother run off. The mother run off a foreign. So you run down if you're sick, can't talk, can't walk, crippled daughter, your vegetable daughter, you run down left and want to come blame the internet now? And then say, Ivan, you foolish, Ivan, you have a Sunday over class every single day. She have to hustle the internet to make sure say win a class in for your lifetime. You're not too outer hard and bright. Kayla and her mama a thief. I will not stop talking. Them exploit them own a sickness. Them own a sickness, them exploit. Me not run them joke with not dirty people. Yeah, I'm glad that only them alone. I only Evan alone who can come for because if you ever say nothing about me and Kayla, the amount of suck out when me tell her Kayla with the tube in her throat. Cause you don't know me not care. The amount of suck out when me that tell the little girl. Oh. Just make me put that out. The last time when I tell the lie, I did not say that I'm a busy, I play cute. I mean, no, me not pretty. Cause me never drop out a dry with no beauty. You mad? You must be mad. I want to come play victim now for my name. Eh? And blame Ivan. You got suck on no woman. Kayla, they must have got push Kayla in a chair. They must have pushed them go push her in a plane. About 200,000 US. That Kayla not have to talk. The last time she talk, she get a nap. Kayla don't have to talk again. From share work, that's enough, oh Lord, and that's enough. And we never tell you for go. Where Kayla father there? Him dead? Dolly baby what? Where Kayla father? Is he dead? We ask questions. Because through everybody else are big on the app, them can't ask. So don't block the individual here. Don't block this individual. Please do not block them. Don't block this individual. More reason with them. She say, I one thing though, your heart black, but God see with you. My baby, come here. You know, say a people like Uno. Why can't help people clean card? Come here, my baby. Come here, people like Uno walk and help people clean card. You see, you are uneducated and you play upon people's emotion when you hate the ones to discipline Uno, a son of stay. Remember no walking in the public and beg sympathy and pity are when not needed. Remember on a burden on the friends with problems where Uno create over and over and expect them to understand say so Uno stay. Come here, my baby. Kaylan was 15. Her mother is careless. Careless to send her upon a pandemic, lockdown, no movement day, got party. Obviously, she can't control Kaylan at age 15. We talk about the level of carelessness because you weren't here from inception, so you just catch the story. Come here, my baby. 15, she was 15. I thought she was 17. She was 15 years old going to the dance. When Kaylan get the broke up, she was 15. Now, Una explain, why is it that me and why is it that Ivani have to be paying penalty for Kaylan being lie down and waking up? What about the community where Kaylan come from? Why is it that the community never block road and protest? Just like when a baby gets shot authority, why the community never block road and protest? And you say, my aunt black? Come here, real talk. It doesn't change the fact that who never sneak out yet. Who not go like sneaking out is a part of the Bible. It doesn't change the fact that sneaking out is a problem. If your daughter sneak out and she get what she get, you come and explain to the public and let the public know she's an unruly baby. Now the mother came and the mother said no one knows Kaylan in the community. Kaylan don't even go road. So oh Kaylan friend I take man down and Kaylan I defend her friend in a war. Eh? Cause when they like to justify.
My people, she bother have a point. You hear me say? She bother have a point. You a tell me say you have your picnic where sick can't walk, can't talk. Saying, and you run left that the picnic there, run off a foreign left that the picnic there. Eh? You tell me say the caretaker for that picnic there. Me never hear them mention the father one time yet. Just the mother. You get so much money and you just think you go run off a foreign and left your picnic was sick. Who are gonna take care of the picnic like how you can take care of him? I know you come back to the internet and want money. Are you crazy? Are you dumb? People are gonna look into that and then you are gonna use Shibada and Ivani as a scapegoat for the people them sympathize with you and give you them how much money again for you do the same thing again. People, give who can give. Cause more than never try to stop a person food when it comes to sickness. You know what I mean? Them are gonna fall upon them own sword. Make me know what to think, me people. Make me watch some more.
Bye, and now make sense. I mean, decide say me want to reason with you good and properly. So it doesn't change the fact. So true, she sneak out now, we must have pity. Then make your child sneak out, go suck out then, man. Make your child sneak out, go suck out and catch night fever upon them lip. Yeah, cause who never sneak out yet. Leave your window open. Nobody lock your door. Nobody lock your door. We not justify pure slackness and not take off the shadow. And we're still not talking about the careless mama. Oh, she allow Kaelan to sneak out. What we're talking about is how them are hustle the app. Kaelan will never get healing until the mama dead. Because the woman now stop big. Obviously, there's something we should do regular. That is why Kaelan so careless to go dance at 15. You know what is Jamaican's problem? We not believe say we're wicked. We not believe say we're careless, nasty and thief. We don't believe. But you see, any foreign country we believe say them are wicked and thief and nastiness. That is the problem. And you come here and talk about say my heart black. My heart can't blacker than Kaelan mama heart where run leave our daughter go foreign. Run leave our daughter go foreign with the whole of the hospital bill upon the little girl where I take a nap in a coma. Yeah, nothing can wicked than that. When Kaelan free, you never see the mama beside Kaelan. When Kaelan get discharged, you never see the mama beside Kaelan. Kaelan is an adult. Kaelan has been doing things on her own. Kaelan is an adult. Yeah, the mama run down left her daughter take a nap in a coma. Explain it to me now. And right now, you're done this and the Donald Trump. I want $200,000 for buy your way in America. You know see why we're going? And she not just gone a foreign. She run off. Kedisha, me got this. And this is Kedisha. Yeah, $200,000 and show everybody a clean card on the app. Them jump on the wagon like when Nisha did dead. Everybody a walk a collect. Worst back home in the bed last night. Of course, you better go help Trump take the oil from out of Venezuela, carry going to America, and see if him can get a change. She out of order, and then everybody on the internet wants to and blame Ivani for not using her platform to help Kaelan thief. And that's the problem. Ivani now use her platform help Kaelan steal anything. What is the problem with that? We not beat people, or badger people for help people thief. Make it make sense. Why when me talk say, who I interpret for Kaelan, where the mama there, why as me talk about that so, as me talk about that so, the mother as me talk about that so, the Make it make sense. Because all the way a reason. All the way a reason. And some of them do annually. Whether Vani not help enough people or Vani help enough people, this is what I not understand. Vani is not obligated to help anybody on the internet. The same way the people on the internet is not obligated to gift her. You understand me? So why people are making it into an obligation? Make it make sense now why persons are making it into an obligation. Whether it's Vani want help little or she want help enough. If Vani decide on not helping Kaylan, why is it that Destiny and many others trying to make helping Kaylan in an obligation for many others?
Just like how they were trying not to help her make it a problem. Just like that.
You know, we are going to class, my neighbor. No, you understand me? You cannot have anything to say about anybody unless the public is saying the same thing about an individual. Your opinion can never be different from the public's opinion. No, it's true. She get help already. She gets $62 million. Her mama gets $62 million and run go buy vehicle, give man and bike, give man and van for herself. And you know it is so hard. How the mama reach a foreign? Where the bike? Where the two vehicle them there? How the mama reach a foreign? Easy come, easy go. Where you sell the vehicle? Oh, you sell the vehicle for go foreign. Then where the vehicle there? If they are Jamaica carry children to school because we want to know. Where the vehicle there? Where the vehicle them there? Where Kaylan treatment money buy? With $62 million, Kaylan should have been an athlete when she wake up. Kaylan should have had the javelin and discus. Oh. With $62 million, Kaylan should have wake up an athlete. Yeah, $62 million, and people are gonna sit up on top. But after that, nothing. The money they are not nothing for those psych. Well, some physio. You understand me? Physio is expensive. Let me tell you something. Kaylan mama never have no intention for Kaylan walk. Kaylan mama never have no intention for Kaylan come back. And una miss the essence of every single thing we are going. Kaylan mama don't care about Kaylan's situation. Only thing Kaylan mama care about is she enjoying life. And una now realize there are so enough girls stay on the app. I saw enough girls stay. Kaylan mama don't care about Kaylan. You understand me? Because if you're a data seeker, you can't give account for the money. Every time you come live for beg and people ask about the $62 million, so cocky Kaylan mama. You understand me? Cause of the people them and run them and hang up the life because she cannot give an account for the money. That woman is a wicked and a dirty thief, and because she isn't working for it, that is why she can waste it. I saw una sit down and for Kaylan wake up from out her casket and come back on the app and really I do them shenanigans here. Kaylan, me not have no respect for you. Move your stinking nasty self and go. Me not have no respect. You're not a demon. You're not a demon. Every time I say, ask your mama want to the money, you not ask your mama want to the money. You come and play a pity party in front of the internet. I want them gear. I want your attitude mash up enough of them all triple.
My people, this might sound a certain type of way, you know, but you see a lot of times the good have to suffer for the bad. You see me? Nowadays you can't make because of sympathy. How you feel about seeing a situation move you to do certain things. You out of your own free will have to just decide say, you know, I just feel like to give or I feel like to give a person a thing. Let me tell you, let me say this, right? As me say, you out of your free will or your, you know what I mean, don't make because of the situation where you see this person portray, because enough of them are portray the situation, right? Don't make because of that, make because of you just feel the feeling, say, yo, let me just give, and me give. Because you don't want me, because how you feel about what you see, the situation where the person portray, the imagery and something where them portray, you sit and give, and then you can find out say yo them, you know what I mean, them a act, pretend them a pretend, then you are gonna feel in yourself and get mad in yourself and say you da never give again. You see me, I say which way if you out of yourself just have a look at idle thing and say yo let me just give it, and you give it, you don't have to be idle, you can't just feel like say you want to give and you just give. You see me, I say without having any emotions attached to the situation. When you find out say a scam them did a scam, you not go feel no way. Maybe you feel a little bit way now, but you not go feel too much affected by the situation, knowing say you never make because this imagery, the situation where the person portray to you, that are the reason why you give. No, you give because you just feel like say yo, let me just give this here man. You know what I mean? You understand me I say? Make you watch some more.
Mo want when triple done get the money more kakali car. At that me want. At that me want. What you mean she don't know no better trendy business? Trendy business she know better. She knows better. You hear from Kayla, young Kayla behave like her germs. Kayla know better because one thing me know beating supposed to wake you up. And as Kayla wake up she has sing the broke man can't broke in her. Yeah. Make it make sense. Them people are too. You see? I tell you this, you know, Jamaicans are some wicked set of dirty germs, you know. Jamaicans are the most wicked. You think 80 full of obia? Check the heart of Jamaican people. Them full of witchcraft. Because me don't know you have young babies, mothers come out and cry for help and uno would not even take on a platform and jump and say that baby they need a kidney, a liver, a heart, a arm, a mother, a father, a doctor, a Indian, a chief, a lawyer, a doctor. Only that never do it. Children hospital want some things because when you walk up there you shame and you thank God before you come out how you were born. You understand me? And I'm not gonna tell me now say when I have these people I come on the app every single day and I use some things that catch on over and over. Right? I'm glad if you came on the money covered. Me case and gear. Yeah, for sure. Me never hear none of buy 2 Louver glass and go in one church yet. Me never hear none of purchase 2 Louver window and send go give one church. Buy 2 fan and send go give one church. Me never hear none of do it yet. School of fear call no for uno. I beg uno fan. School and on the picnic go there. But on the depend the app I give this and I give that. One yeah. Killer na mama better go nyam down for and nyam out Donald Trump batty. Your mama run left you and show you upon the public. Hey, Kayla, mother better snap out of it, you know, which is when them say a village grow a child, you know, snap out of that shit. Kayla is an adult.
Kayla, stress herself. Help is that the way.
Help always upon the way for because them always needy. Yeah. When I know me boss it, I'm glad when I give me the lead way for boss it.
ID. You have to give an ID.
And your name have to be you have to be on the list. Somebody have to prove you to come in there. You have to show
ID. Everything. So if not happen, them know it's you.
Yep. They know who's in there. It's very controlled. From the delivery drivers to everything, they know who is in there.
But you want I said trophy. What?
Sticky, come over here. I will know say you don't like her, you know.
Tiki now getting trouble from the water there, man. And so Tiki quiet.
Man,
Yes,
Tiki, low him, man.
Tiki quiet. One time I block him and him cuss come for customer. Sorry,
I'm
Auntie
gonna shut them
Tiki.
up, but shut my mouth. Keep on
Tiki
saying.
now getting trouble.
You see when the man say what they say, he know the verdict already.
exactly. Not true.
Me
But
not like it, man, when people are put out people adversary. Me not like them something there, bro. Where Buffia? Where Auntie Buffia say not true? Where Auntie mean?
when they say Tiki haven't given any trouble, yes, he have.
Oh, I'm not say true, but maybe true, I'm not see it.
He on the screen recording. He said that Akeem like
No,
men and
Rosalie.
What him say?
What's
he
not
said
true, man?
Akeem like
Too much
men.
somebody attack.
He said Akeem like he said Akeem is a better man, more than him, and I think Tiki
Me
said he
can't
said he
in a box, Tiki. Tiki, me can't in a box, cause your class Akeem, and we not gonna do that. We not gonna do that, Tiki. The youth not trouble nobody, Tiki. Him not trouble nobody. A new year now, bro. We have a problem in America where we need to sort out. We can't pick up everything. We can't pick up everything, Tiki. We have a problem in America to sort out. Remember how we come on here, Tiki, no make them whine you up in a not on. Leave this, sit this out. Sit this one out, Tiki. Bad as it be, remember Rose did like you. Remember. Come on, now, man. Sit this one out, bro.
Wally Pound, she sit down with him. But to the day there.
It's inevitable. You don't can't stop it, my love. Just watch and see.
We don't talk, because I'm telling us that up this apart.
Yeah, she's up from some meat. Me I cook look curry chicken today.
This apart, who will be an obsession?
Oh man, I go do one 3 hour case and
morning, Buff.
Good morning. Just block Tiki and keep it moving. He was just on Lawyer Live.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think. Cause see pasa ya, you know what I mean? One big bagger. You see me? So me I go do less talking with people. Me I make them do the whole like chatting, so me could get unite.
Saying how Akeem S up and all this type of stuff or Rose man. Tiki is not nobody friend. They put out where Rose live, telling people to go call the landlord to harass her because Rose did the same to Tiki, and that's not true.
Jesus
Just block him and keep
so
it
why
moving.
Tiki
I
want
have
come
it.
up in the box
I
and
will
Tiki
send
know
it
him
to
just
you.
do that?
I have it on screen recording. It's not Tiki is not no friend, and Tiki is not no good person. Just block him and keep it moving. Remember, we were gonna block negativity. That's what they're over there doing. They're job prayer.
Never know.
Job prayer. I have the screen recording. I'm gonna send it to in our stuff. And job prayer is even over there. They're riling up people to go report Rose's place and harass them so she could get out.
Jesus.
Just block
so
and
you
keep
see what me
it
I tell you
moving.
no? Look on this now. Everybody
I
says she
have
want
it and I'm
listen
gonna send it. And I don't have to come in here and lie to you guys about nothing. Cause ain't nobody on here could do me a thing. Cause I got family members that could support me. I'm not worried about nobody on here.
You see it funny? When
But
everybody, she need to leave out or see you, she need to move out her family.
Tiki was even talking. Tiki was even.
I don't want to come jeopardize it.
Hear them
Hold on. Hate the girl and I want to see
Too many people talking at once.
Calm down.
Too many people talking at once. They even over there. Tiki was even over there talking about going to Obia, all kind of shit they over there saying. Just block and keep moving.
Read the chat. Read the chat, Chero. It me I tell you. Read the chat. We need to go over there.
No, don't go over there for what? Go over there for what? No. We said we were not going to entertain any negativity.
I knew me mic and say run Tiki because I see to anti-buff. That's why I knew me mic and say run Tiki, me no care.
Who am I say?
But then the pan Chero name now. So
them supposed to the pan my name.
Me a go look.
We need to call the authority.
Yeah, I don't even know why Tiki come over here when lawyers sent to get him and tell them what they're going to do to Rose because Jakes told them where Rose moved to. The
Some know
name,
where
the
Rose
name,
moved
the
to.
place where she moved to, they give the address, everything they
Yeah,
give.
tell me
But me
that
tell
for them
them Buffy
support
see
for
a
the
Jake's
family name.
tweet.
Jakes don't
Me
know
tell
that
her see a Jake's
information.
tweet. And that me come up like and tell you no.
So Jake, so that
In them man a
wicked,
screen
like
Jakes don't know
recording
considering
that
that
now.
his kids
information.
eventually would actually live there. So, like, yes, you said that man don't give a shit and walk around about
He no business, he no want
He
the woman to
doesn't
be
good
picky
father,
want that,
them.
no.
Ross.
He
That
I
man
doesn't
don't
don't
He
give
no
two
believe
want the
shit
Jakes
woman to
know
about
be
where
it.
picky
He
them
just
Rose.
from the
wants to see
ear.
Rose suffer.
Guys. Jakes does not know where Rose live at. You gonna give
Oh, him gonna know probably she gonna say it to the kids them. And then him
listen.
gonna
No, she not do
question
that.
them.
She not gonna do
No,
that.
listen.
that is not
Guys,
true. That
listen.
is not
And you see me
true.
unmute you so you can talk one by one. Anybody unmute you after me mute you, me I go take you down. Cause me unmute you so one at a time can talk and no unmute and attack all together. I will take you down if you unmute when one people at hello. No behave yourself and don't upset my spirit.
Okay, go ahead.
I don't believe it. And until Rose come out and confirm it, I'm not arguing with a soul. And I would
Okay.
suggest everybody else do the same thing. I don't believe Rose gave Jakes her address. And I don't believe her. Well, maybe she told the kids, and maybe the kids maybe leaked it. But I still don't think that either, because she know her kids. Like me,
Okay.
I know my kids. I know what to tell my kids and what not to tell my kids. If
Okay,
I want to keep it a
Shakita,
secret.
no one said Rose told Jakes. Jakes is on screen recording saying she moved where she moved to, and that's how lawyer got it. I'm not going to say where or what the address, but she said it. I have it on screen recording that Jakes told them.
But Buffy, I know exactly what you're talking about. Jake said he said that she was moving. He didn't say where.
But lawyer just said on the live Shakira was over there.
But what I'm saying to you is that Jakes didn't say where. He said she's moving.
Okay, you're not understanding what I'm saying still. Okay.
I understand what you're saying. You're saying that she said that you're saying that lawyer said that Jake's moving, that Jake said that Rose moved, and he said where she moved to.
Not on live. Shakira told
Oh, you
her.
saying he told her.
Yes, that's what
I
I'm
don't believe her.
saying.
She lying.
So how she got the address and everything and the
That ain't
community?
Rose's address.
So somebody had to have told her.
That's not Rose's address. Rose is not moving in Phoenix Park. That's not Rose's address.
Chiquita, they need to
Okay, how
report
am I
Jakes
adding
too.
fuel to the fire? All
They
I'm
need
saying,
to.
we don't go over to Lawyer Live. We don't add Tiki. We block them and we keep it moving because there's no negativity. What the fuck are you
They
talking
so
about?
small-minded till they think that Phoenix Park is the only. They so stupid. Go back to your country. Go back and explore and find out what's there. They so smart. They think that Phoenix Park is the only gated scheme. Like, shut the fuck up. They don't know what the fuck they talking about. Bro, hush. Bro, let me shut up. Hush. Anyway.
Chiquita, I can say something?
Cause I don't need. Let me tell you something right now. Bitch that's listening to Chiro Live, I'm telling you right now, I'm the wrong bitch to come for in the United States of America. I'm telling you now, I am the wrong bitch to come for. I will state my address on this bitch to let you know I am the wrong bitch to come for. So whoever want to try me, try me. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Whoever want to try me, try me. Try me. Do your baddest and your biggest. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Don't let the internet fool you. Do not let the internet fool you.
She don't know where me live. She don't know where me live. And that me just there go say.
Hey guys.
We are going to encourage her to angle it. You want to know why? When lawyer over there angle it, uno did over there tell her to stop it? Uno did over there tell her to leave people alone? No. Lift up our fire, so bitch.
Moisha, this I got different from everybody else. So you know why? Remember, say Shakita is an American. She's born here.
Yeah, and that is why I say
come
angle
here
it. That's why I say
come
she
get
for angle it.
naturalized
She
and then
too
come back.
bright.
Banya, you don't play with Americans. In every way, Shakira I go deal. Shakita, I go deal with her. Shakita go fix her.
And,
Just leave her
and
to
that's why
Shakita.
I said, that's why I didn't call her. I said, do it. Because listen to what she over there talk about. Pull up. Okay, pull up. That's fight talk.
She go have to take back the talk. No, no, she touch the wrong
She
person.
not,
She go have to take it back.
want Shakita angle or bangle, you see? You too know.
You wish she never do it.
You don't know who people is you call up them name and run gone with it. Yeah, okay. Big
She go wish
story
she never
you
touch
create.
Shakita. Believe me. She go wish she never
She go
mentioned
wish
nothing
she
about
never
Shakita.
call the people them name.
Hold on.
Watch and see. You too enough. About blood clot time. Now come talk about, oh, so why are you encouraging her? Why me not hear no over there tell the dirty blind bat to stop it? No, what are we over here so now come listen. Losing season. Come off of this. But winning season. Why are you encouraging her to handle it instead of crying piggies? Go piece up underneath your big pussy mama. Come on know who the trouble are. Why she call people name?
Hello?
People, let me tell you something right now, see? Them I want that whole leak Rosealee address and whatever. See, Rosealee can't hide. Rosealee address I go forever leak. You know why? Because Rosealee is a huge figure right now when it comes to drama and controversy. See? And if Rosealee I go live in a like middle class area, people are going to see her and them are going to say, yo, I usually that, and them are going to come on the internet because they want clout and see her. They know where Rosealee live. Leak Rosealee address. You see me I say, that's one thing when you can't go hide from unless you go live in our up class community and all, and maybe you still get leak and you go have people where in the area people will deliver stuff on them way and them are going to see her maybe leak or thing. So that's something where she can't run from. You know what I mean? So the youth them even go tell GX. GX maybe question them and them tell him. You see me? So I just saw it go. She can't hide. Make you watch some more.
Trouble.
Hello?
Hello?
Chara?
Yeah.
You know what? This morning, yeah, I think somebody blocked me, but listen, I wasn't the one who was putting
No, all the phone low, some hardly hear you know.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I went over to TikTok lawyer. She put it out Rose's address. So I was telling you what she was over there doing. And somebody blocked me.
All right, auntie. Wish you black same way?
I don't know because
you don't get black, auntie. This is a big thing I go on now. I can't complain with that now.
You get mute, auntie.
Yeah, you get mute. You don't get black, auntie. Well,
Shakita,
what's your talk about? What kind of government assist? What she does have to tell us that appear like?
She's lying. Talk about telling me to pull up. She got another Yankee. No, don't have no another Yankee. Have you, you bad bitch. Have you.
What you offer doing no Shakita?
Have you. You bad. Bitch, you bad. You bad. You bad on this app. Bitch, you going down. You're going, mark my words, you going down. As of Monday morning tomorrow, you are going down. You are a menace in our country. You are a stalker. You are a cyber bully. You're going down. It does not matter. It does. You have sent threats. You said you wanted to unalive people. You're going down. I have every screen recording. You are going down. I'm going to fight you the legal way. You're going down. You are going down. You told me to pull up. You told me to send it. Okay, I'm going to send it. I'm going to pull up because one thing about me, I am a working, born, tax-paying American citizen. And you are a menace in my country. You are a menace in my country. You are. You are a menace. You are a menace in my country, and you're wreaking havoc. And to be perfectly clear, you could be considered a terrorist. Ooh. You could be considered a terrorist.
She is a terrorist.
You could be considered a terrorist. So you go ahead. I'm gonna pull up. I'm gonna pull up because I got it. I'm gonna pull up. You don't know who you messing with.
Fucking old father.
I'm gonna pull up. So while you sitting back doing all this thinking it's cute for the internet, I'm gonna show you what's cute.
Yep.
I'm gonna show you what's cute.
Too disgusting.
I'm gonna show you what's cute.
Fuck around, she gonna find out.
She do exactly.
I'm gonna show you what's cute. I'm gonna show you what's cute.
Shakita. Oh. Don't ease up. Get her with the full length of the law.
You're making threats. Yeah, call me a Yankee. Call me a Yankee. Call me a Yankee, but technically you're the Yankee because you're in my country. So you're the foreigner. You're the Yankee. I'm not in Jamaica. You're the Yankee.
They don't know what the meaning of Yankee is, Shakita.
Not me. You're the Yankee. I'm not the Yankee. You're the Yankee. So we're going to see. You're
them use words and don't know the meaning.
Menace. You are a menace. You're a menace in my country.
I'm drunk,
you're a menace and you're a terrorist. You are a terrorist. Yes, I'm born here down south. Born American raised, Florida. Yeah, so technically I'm not the Yankee. You're the Yankee, honey. I'm in my country.
Teach them, Shakita. They use words and they don't know the meaning of the words.
Exactly.
And them come here, I come call people Yankee. Them don't know the meaning of the word Yankee.
Exactly. I'm not the Yankee. You're the Yankee, honey. You're the Yankee. And I'm going to exercise my Yankee privilege. I'm going to exercise my Yankee rights. I'm going to exercise my rights. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. I'm going to exercise my rights tomorrow, Monday morning, bright and early. Bright and early. I'm going to exercise my rights tomorrow.
People are set up in a line 7 o'clock a morning for the door them open.
It's what I would do. So tell me to pull up. Because you are a terrorist. You are a terrorist. Is what you are.
I don't like.
And you make terrorist threats. And I'm going to report you to TikTok too. So you keep on. And I'm done talking to you. I'm done talking to you. So you keep on this internet, keep on trying to portray this image to the little 400 or 500 people you got over there, and watch and see what those 400 or 500 people get brought to. See what is gonna be brought to your door. Watch and see, because I'm gonna report you early in the morning. I'm gonna report you, and I'm not gonna stop until they done with you. You gonna learn. You are a terrorist. And you're a threat. You are a threat to others.
See, I never see a woman with an eye, miss so.
You mustn't know what's
Monday morning, don't come tell me what she say. Don't tell me what she say, Sammy.
That me I said.
Don't tell me what she say. Just know what I'm saying.
You know what? Hear what she said. Kind of.
Shakita happy with herself.
Just know what I'm saying. Just know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
She happy with herself. What the fuck?
Just know what I'm saying. Know what I'm saying? Because you're in my country. You don't work. You don't pay taxes. You don't do any of that. You don't do any of that. You don't work. You don't pay taxes. You get a disability check the first of the month. You don't do any of that. But you sitting up causing all this. You're supposed to be disabled. How you causing all this havoc every day? How you doing all that? And you supposed to be disabled. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Okay. And you definitely don't work. You definitely don't pay no taxes.
Time when she talk about what
and you're definitely not retired. You're not retired. You don't pay taxes. You don't work nowhere. And you can tell that you lying to the people that's online because the kind of work that your husband do. You don't got all them Airbnbs like you proclaim you do. Because how you got all them Airbnbs that you proclaim you got all these businesses, bitch, and you got a window unit air condition. Girl, please. Girl, please.
How you have Airbnb and on benefits?
Girl, how you got an Airbnb and you on benefits? And you got a window in the AC. You don't even got HVAC in your house. Girl, please.
Yeah. I want you say people identity. I want you say she slim and look good like Peter Gay. Peter Gay look like me. Or what? Or the next girl with Jackson.
Baby, it don't matter.
Guess
Guess what? It don't matter. I'm 5. And baby, let me tell you something. If you want to know, I'm 5'11", 256 pounds, and I got 4 motherfucking children, bitch. And what? And a husband. And what? I got something to show for mine. And what? And sit on my ass every day and make good money. And what? And what? Been on my job for 15 and a half years. And what? And what?
Too disgusting, man.
And what?
Take her down.
And what?
Look at people them live their life. She too auntie.
And what?
Horrible. The worst than Ali Palmer. Woman that sit down auntie.
And what?
You can't bully nobody.
You can't bully me.
You can't bully nobody on the internet.
You can't bully me, but I will. But you will be reported. She will be reported. I'm telling you, 7 o'clock in the morning, I'm gonna be up. I already know where she live at. I already know where she live, and I'm calling Social Security on you in the morning. I sure am. I'm gonna call Social Security because you got your live on sub only, so you getting the extra money every month that you're not reporting. Oh, you gonna be reported. You gonna be reported. You gonna be reported. You gonna be reported. So for all the people that's commenting on your live, that's paying to comment, and you collect.
Alright, my people, as I said, I don't talk too much. Let me know what you think in the comment section. We can watch some more.
Yep, Tiki, she got over they gonna leave now. So Tiki, same thing when she do to you, I say if you do back to her too.
Me, liar me, you know my move on me depend. Me know the
move, but the people I same thing if you do back to her.
He come and tell me about Chef situation and class me about Chef night idea. And I say, go Chef no want you. You eat your friend them children tell us that the boy no want you. Blah blah blah. After cough up this that. And before the year done, God make you kick one. God make you man over one man when I want you to. So here what happen. Me just sit down and watch God fight. Anytime say let go, let God fight. Yeah. Liar.
Yeah.
Here teacher girl they has no compassion. Me don't feel like me gonna talk back to nobody.
Why you not talk back to her? She takes setting in your life.
Yeah.
That's some wicked things the girl do to you, you know?
Liar. Let me show you something. I'm gonna show you something. You see that the girl I the devil own self. And nobody does make it but she and her man what she love. She used to want Jakes make it her since Jakes don't want her no more. She not even want Jakes to make it again.
She didn't make me want people play match with you, nothing. Nothing at all. The girl mix up everything.
Yeah. Me a plan a little match and tell them to not play with me. Yo. I just laugh me laugh. Then she believes that she could get me talk back to her in her life. Plug out the heater. Plug out the heater. She could have get back, say, she would have get me Vita back to her in a life, liar, not in this lifetime. He teach me how to she has no compassion.
And it's understandable, me not blame you. I don't blame you.
You see all these things are going on, me not even put my mouth in there, me just sit down. Cause some people feel money a blessing. Some people feel money a blessing. Them are here to represent like a poison. Remember when you diamond come to New York
Oh yeah, well I live there in New York together. Jesus, remember the fish fry.
Lion, me can't call you. At 2023, Ghana, I don't know if you remember when they did our World Cup series fire.
Yes, and she never want to play. And Swiss leader fi beg her fi come play.
And he called and tell me, boy, you know why Chico put him with Diamond fi play and he hate Diamond like a poison.
Yeah, she never want to play fi true. Who remember that? And Swiss leader fi call her and beg her, and for the whole match she never say a word. Who remember that fi true?
I say, I don't know why she then put him with Diamond fi play.
And he hate Daima. And he no want a friend for Daima, I don't know. And he no like Candy, and he no like Unforgotten the K. He said they too loud. He no like nobody with too loud than him anytime. He send them request to play a match. I bet time card. I remember me did talk before my Candy did vex. So when my Candy did not care, people that say I told me see my Candy in a car make me talk. He did be not tell me that. Remember say I did my friend in a liar. Remember say me used to fight film war film like a, me used to fight film, you know. I would become a foreign to be a check to her, you know.
Yeah, she hate to find that.
I'm foreign to be a check to her, you know.
Yeah, you're not close.
Me borrow her money must go airport. Must be the taxi if you can bring me go airport and chick her say, and she me I go look for. As me reach a foreign, me know him I go take it tell me. And me just give him back. As me reach in a detention, and me go no, and then tell me I go get let out tomorrow morning. Me call Simone and me say send it back in her PayPal, please. Come in like and me say yo me hate that the girl like a poison man. The girl me say me a plan a match and me a Candy fi play. He tell Candy no fi play with me. Me a Jaden tell Jaden fi no play with me. You remember?
Me remember.
And people feel like they forgot.
Yeah, I remember too.
And no when go in Carton there. Me say me going take a batty blood clot man in a wall. If you take a batty man in a wall to man. I cost batty man every day. In cost batty man every day. I still love how far it work. You cost batty man every day. Father got put in a position to take a batty man.
She not take him, she a mad over him. Can batty man no want her?
If Aki man batty man, me no batty man either.
Tiki where you say? Then Tiki never see Spice. You never see Spice a cry over yesterday.
Because Spice was the way in the cloud, because Spice a cloud chaser. Our Spice a look good name.
Actually, well,
Spice a look good name, and Spice was recognition. No, I say same thing like them in a liar me.
Jevon, I say name Tiki Jevon.
No, me not call out his name for you. Me not have no. Me just start the show.
Don't say name. Everybody over here knows say name.
Spice a look recognition. Good name. But me tell you so, you see if Aki man or Batman, me no Batman. I'm glad say they can't hurt me in America. I've been in touch with a China here for my mama and my papa. They no feel like I say them I go kill for my mama and half of them mama living. Not a blood clot for hear what happen. If they ever use gun and knife or machete to kill for my mama, me sure no to blood clot me I go back to the old week when me used to be. For me I go back to when me used to in a coronation market and fight. Obia fi Obia.
You there? As I never love Tiki, no Tiki, no old back chat.
So they don't feel like I said them I go hurt watch and feel me mama head. I feel like I say, oh yeah, them I go have feed them mama fix stay a man in time. I say, mommy, I feed them.
My people, one thing me have to tell them people up on TikTok, do not let the mix up and the drama, and because you want to be the center of attention, you make you get hurt or anybody feel you get hurt. TikTok is a very dangerous place. You have a lot of youths out here where make them money, and in a Jamaica friend a man making money, him not take no disrespect. So you have to be careful what you say. Don't make you say if you did know. You know what I mean? Learn from people who are gone ahead. Because my people, me remember this youth here, who don't know him. You know what? We leave a call a name. But I want to swim around. You see me? And him come and load up other people business because people pan live want to get them live popping, and he must spill this tea and a chat this bag of thing. Them analyze him eventually, but nobody know where the analyzing come from. If I him come chat out time out, or maybe other things. You see me? So you have to be careful. You see me? Make you watch some more.
He said that too. You're mad. If you don't go blood clot physically, me I go spiritually.
I think you know Rosealee up your man.
Me don't know female man, but me know holy part the other rank of them over man for ya.
Yeah, there's a female over man come from Chillon in Sawyer.
The blood clot this. I chill on the people them body now Obia fi shoot in a liar.
I can't laugh. Tiki, don't ease up on the girl, make the girl go away. The girl is to text it upon you. When you reach a far the girl bad mind you. Bad mind, Tiki, when Tiki reach a far, you know. She and Tiki that bench and batty. And when Tiki reach a far the girl bad mind Tiki.
Start cuss me. Start in a war with me for no reason like. Make the blood clot. This same thing man coming to do Joe nothing. Me and Rose no friend. That's what me saying now.
Eh? You never feel reach a foreign before. You make a mistake.
And the mama either one day too. You know how me talk. No I call premium. Like me not even know. That's how a man want to see him back man.
They never want you reach a foreign before they make you threaten
When I tell nothing now go on film and nobody no play with him at Trev, me seen Jaffa. And since he serious and he clothes the pan he never call Trevor play a match with him.
yes, but see him and Trevor and Purple used to over there every night. Till he had put Trevor and Purple together for pretend that in there.
Yeah, just to hurt me.
Yes. Yes, for real. Make me remember she put them together for hurt you every night and you know last time me see she and Trev together when the argument did come out we say when Trev them I said Trevor do the agency and I rob people money. Me say she talk to Trev. Me no see the girl and look back on Trev for that. Don't look back on Trev.
Like you know I see the Trev send me money.
Here there.
That did me can't send a receipt, girl.
You need to say me think you want me take Trev send your money. You and Trevor friend again? Tiki me now like Tiki, me now like the best series that did on TikTok. Ask the chat. That was the best series.
The best series in 2025. No series not reach up to that.
I best series that. That was the best series. A series that keep.
And a week put on series in 2025.
Me nah lie to chicken and that because me you cool, but that was the best series. We used to stay up late to watch that series there. That series they take we got Florida all over. Chat, we do not agree.
Everywhere.
That was the best series on TikTok.
Everywhere. Where we got the penthouse studio time we kick the bucket.
Police call. Me must have funny hotel in a police call. All kind of stuff. Yo. That was the best series. Me nah lie, Tiki. Me did invest in that series there. You and Trev series was the best series. Me nah lie. Somebody say 5 days they never sleep for straight. Yes.
I'm gonna share something. Everybody else time then come up on TikTok and make a series. Me are the only boy, Kiara boy come up on TikTok.
Yeah man, Tony me the star. I make a series. Yeah. Let me tell you that. You have 2 pack of Marlboro in your throat. Tell them to me say that too. It's big like sweet pepper. Tell them to me say that too. Bitch, I mean feed you. Come near the pan food stamp. Bitch, I me feed you. Come near the pan food stamp and welfare. Me take care of you, bitch. Me know the pan food stamp and welfare, bitch. I me take care of you. So me can't tell you anything I want to tell you, say. Go and go report it. Me I wait. Think of a report, go. Go and report it, honey. Yeah. This is that one bunch of dunce people, them. One, you want to be in a Jamaican business? No, you're in the whore. You want to be up in our business, whore? No, you're up in the whore. I'm not reporting if you report here at my house if you come.
You don't have to report. You say no. If you come at my house, that me want. That me want enough for the month no pull up. Me I wait. You have to do laundry now. You have to do it. Can do it later on in the night. Me come here wait for one line of a pull up. Me wait for one line of a pull up. I wait for one line of a pull up. So you come at my house, come Shakita, come at my house, come. You see a duns. You see one duns girl, duns doctor. Duns. Duns locker. They must think I Rosalie them attack to one duns girl chair over there. And that them things say sugar mama. Them things say a Rosalie them attack to over there. And duns girl chair no have no sense. Then duns locker get a ben name Pambula and then yummy. Tell her to report you. Tell her to report you. You have to wait till the morning call now. Tell her to report you. But I'm going to say, Shakita, with your name, make sure your hands clean. Make sure your hands clean when you report people, okay? Many get caught up in a batty hole. She can't do it for now. We're not waiting tomorrow. We'll try now.
As we say, my people, don't make social media make you get hurt. Don't make this woman a TikTok liar boosting up to say things and do things we are going to affect you in the long run negatively. You see me, I say, first of all, you can do things with a person. Alright, look on this, my people. You go rob a bank and you don't have no mask, and the next person will rob a bank with you have a mask. You don't know him, you know, because when he meet you, he have a mask. See? And rob the bank. When them hold on, them have to hold on for you, know. Because what? You don't have no mask, everybody can see your face. So that are the same thing me just use the analogy there. To explain this a situation that this woman you never show her face yet and people are deal with her over and over and she a bring down everybody on TikTok. And people are join with her and I bring down people and people know them face. How can you join with a person when I have no damn face to bring down people? You can't do that because them know something why them are hide for them face. Simple as that. So careful.
Tell her to go report me to Social Security. Everything what she want to tell her to go do it. Tell her to go do it. Everything what she going to tell her to do it. Everything what she do, tell her to do. Shady said she gonna do it, but it's about one year now. I'm still wait for them call me and they not call me now. Shady said she gonna do it about 1 year now. See? She then charged with benefits fraud. Shady over there said she gonna report me to social security and all that. And who then should run and charge with benefits fraud? Shay. So no go on. Shady over here tell people say me a this and me a that. And who then charge for benefits fraud? Shay. So go on Shakita. Go on mess up your little monthly income. Go on mess up your little monthly income, Shakita. Cause Shay said she gonna report me. Say no she owe the Belgium government. Go on mess up your little monthly income where you get galley. That's why she don't have to wait for report. She can report if I know. You know what she wait for? No man, she got reported, Angie. They think people are stupid. They think people stupid like them in America. Look wow. And I have to search my page right here. I'm not hide that too. So one girl now I'm not hide. They need to go exact. That's what they need to go to report to a GED class. That's what you go do. That's if you go to report to a GED class. Damn idiot girl. But report to Social Security. Bitch. Tell them to take so much Social Security tax out of the pay. That's all I mean, like if you tell them say. Tell them if you go up on the Social Security tax. That's all. The fuck? God. Not dumb as fuck over here. Yes, go on, man. Go on. Anything what she want to tell them, say, she will tell them. Anything what she want to tell them, say. Anything. Anything what she want to tell them, say, go tell them. Tell her so when she go, make sure say her hands clean. Cause the way how she sound, me know her hands very dirty. Cause when the government ask her for her name and her address, I hope she can enter it. I don't think people stupid over this bitch. I don't think people stupid over this bitch, the whore. Go on, man. I think she not be there, but I think she said she gonna pull up on my house. And that me want the girl do, you know? And that me want the girl do, you know? The girl said she gonna come at me. Oh, so that me want she do. Pull up. And that me want to do. No pull up. Like I think nobody afraid of you over this bitch. They got me forget about everything we may go do today. Cause I'm just wait for the girl to pull up. The girl make me forget everything we may go do today. What me plan to do today. Cause I want the girl to pull up. Girl, hurry up. Because Tuesday me gonna get very busy. I'm going to do everything we have to do by Tuesday. Make sure you do everything we have to do by Tuesday, girl, yeah? Cause Tuesday me get busy again. Alright, honey? I want you to do everything we have to do by Tuesday. Everything we have to do. Make sure you get it done. Everything we have to do, I want you to do it by Tuesday. I don't know where you look at the dirty stinking chero. Where not take this thing for? Chero stink like. I she live off our government. Our government she live off her. I hope she interfere and name in our database. Trump soon kick you all of them off for benefits. Cause me know say you're all thief already, Shakita. Me know you're all thief. Moche! Me know you're all thief, dirty girl. Me know you're thief. Nothing I ever any this. Rose hate them. Rose, me say Rose don't like a bone in a them. Me say Rose hate them like pies and every day I defend Rose. Exactly. Rose not even not defend herself and them want get up every day but them a defend Rose. For show you how they stupid. Every day they get up and defend Rose and Rose not look for them. Rose not even not defend herself. Rose make everybody a chat. And not defend it, and Rose don't care. Them care more than Rose. That makes sense? Who you say about the ball? Them over there a ball every day they get up a ball out then throat and Rose nah look upon them. See where they Rose go Angola splash and a big up Bacca's corner. And no, that's why they come back across Bacca's corner cause Rose don't even see them. Yes, they over there walk and make any with people and Rose don't like them. Rose don't even like them, so delusional. Yes. I wish you about for Smurfette. Yes, like every day they get up a Rose and they hungry like a dog. every day I get up and Rose, and I'm hungry, I killing all. Well, I look at Mr. Shakita, you want one chemical peel, look on your face, full of blackhead. You want a chemical peel. You want somebody bust ask Jakes when go doing face, but then can bust the look dirty blackhead them out of your face. You look terrible. You look terrible. Every day I get up a cuss for Rose. Go take care of herself. Rose not care. Rose love when we call him name. Rose love when we class him. Not so stupid. Nobody like every day they get up morning, noon and night. Look how Spice said out to lions and tigers and bear go give a cold Rose to Spice. All the things say you exempt from that. Who named Shakira? Shakita, the man looking one, the one the transgender she, the transgender she, sugar mama, the one we have one pack of Marlboro in her throat. Tell her if we take the Marlboro out her fucking throat. She feel want a fucking man. Tell her if we take the fucking Marlboro out her fucking throat. She feel want a fucking man. Tell her I say anytime she ready, anytime not ready. You know, leap. Any fucking time when you're ready. No leap when you're not ready. Anything you're not ready for, me ready for it. Or no leap. And if me have to pay for information, I pay for it Ross. Me not have to pay for none. Anytime you no leap. You not ready, you no fucking leap. Anybody want car news, go tell them. Me want them to hear what me I say. I want them to hear. So make them car the news. Only time.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think. Make you watch some more.
I'm not leap, you're not ready, you not leap. Fucking whore, fuck out, big man. Nah, this disgusting don't. You see, all I look like a Rosealee. The whole of when I walk around look like a Rosealee. Big and dirty and stink.
Bad.
You psycho. You dirty bitch.
Bad.
We know
Yeah,
you can't wash your front
wish you
can't
about stealing. You fucking outside and put that for yourself. Put that for yourself.
Who she talk about stealing?
Put that for yourself.
Oh wow. Me don't thief. I don't thief. I never thief. I'ma say
When's about Marsha?
Me don't know if I mean shit say about
Auntie, me just a talk. Me say she talk about stealing. Me just a talk randomly.
She thinks she know everybody behind everything. We never ever come over your profile yet.
No, just keep on letting her build her case. Because one thing about it, you are the one that has made threats. You have been accused of selling firearms in Jamaica, or sending the connection, the link to sell firearms in Jamaica. All of that.
And she did fraudulent activities when she said she go buy the laptop.
Yes.
Remember the laptop situation? I only with yeah.
And she wanna act people.
One. Then you set up people for come tell live. You make up people named Peter. Hey, y'all. You can never sit down in a same seat. You probably rank. You rank a pissy bitch. You're a pissy bitch.
Yeah.
So you keep right on. You know when you have built a strong case against yourself. You keep on saying $100 in Jamaica, and you can do this and you can do that for $100. You can find out anything. It's Jamaica. You can send $100. That's corruption and it's extortion. That is extortion, my love. So you keep right on, and I have it all. And Monday morning tomorrow. Yes, ma'am. I'm calling Social Security.
Wrong person should trouble.
I'm gonna call Social Security on you. So I would suggest you take your live off of sub, because all those people that's paying you to talk, you're gonna have to report all them. Report that. You're gonna have to report that income. So how many people you got subbed over there? How much money you getting from TikTok? Yeah. And you got more than 10,000 followers.
Take it off, Shakita.
You got more than 10,000 followers. You in the live rewards campaign. TikTok pay you to go. TikTok pay you to go live. I want to know if Social Security know that.
Auntie, now do them suck me in, bro.
Exactly.
And I'm come here, sound like when I come up in my box, bro. If she never in a box, this would even not me, no, bro.
Don't even worry about that.
I like them something, no, but them for see people and leave people, bro. Nobody over here not trouble them, bro. We just a talk about what we are talk about another truth. Leave people alone. Rose not trouble you. And just that we said leave Rose.
It lick a empanada, man. It lick a
empanada. You too. Keep on. Keep right on. So go ahead and group up. Like I said, this is not Miss Triple. This is not Shay. This is not Jaden. This is not even Rose for that matter. I'm not either one of them. None of them. You don't know how to fight. Trust and believe you me. They don't know how to fight. They don't know how to fight. Trust and believe you me. They don't know how to fight. You don't know who you messing with. That's all I'm gonna tell you. You don't know who you messing with. You messing with the right one on this internet. Don't be talking about no, oh, come, I got a 14 for you and all this, that. You Yankee. You know, you're the Yankee. You're the Yankee. You're in my country. Get it right. Get it right. Get your facts straight, honey. You're the foreigner, not me. You're the terrorist. You are the terrorist, and I am going to call and report you because you are definitely a terrorist. So keep on thinking it's not real. Keep thinking it's not a real thing. It's definitely a real thing.
It's
definitely a real thing.
She said if do it now, me I think to myself, not to say I idiot a Sunday. If me say the girl fool, she fool. She fool, so till it never makes sense.
I bet I bet you in the kind of money she know what I'm talking is facts. I bet you she know that. She just put on a brave face for her people, but I bet you she know what I'm talking is facts.
Yeah. Here don't but me want to for Angler, retired.
I bet you she know what I'm stating is facts. I bet you she know that. And as far as you talking about, if you got some pull up, you got somebody to do something, baby, you don't want me to pull up. And you don't want who I pull up with. Trust and believe you me. You don't know me. You don't know me. Southern born, baby. Project raised, baby. Project reformed. Project reformed.
Just why I repost the live for?
Project reformed. Okay.
Majestic, don't repost the live. Don't make me block you.
You better research who my mama was. Research who my mama was.
Auntie, not tell them nothing.
And my stepdaddy.
Tell them nothing, man.
Research who my stepdaddy. I will give you his name. Google my stepdaddy.
No. Give them nothing.
For real.
Cause the business
Play with it.
over here, listen.
Auntie, no.
Play with it. 27 and a half years federal prison. 27 and a half years federal prison. Play with it.
Shakita, may I mute you? Me know why we don't talk.
Alright, my people. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me watch some more.
Alright, no more. Make them go do their own research. Make them find out what they want to find out. That's their business. Not give them no info. Just tomorrow you do what you have to do and angle it the way you know if you angle it.
There go suck out your mama share, that's all I can tell her. Lick out the deepest part and their mama. The deepest part and their mama can go lick out share. I don't like a bone in your dirty girl. Me don't know how I can go buy one rope and yeah man, all you know dirty, all nasty corruption, all thinking girl. That girl where I put on with for all shot your 10 load box. Yeah man, the girl where I put on with for cut your 10 load box. Girl say go suck out your mama. Come on, go suck out your mama man. Hold on, go suck out your mama.
Wallet, Delroy, wallet. Nurse!
Me not like that.
Stop it. Let it out.
I'm here for let out.
When we kill him with the rum buckle.
Tell for me.
So what's 30? What's 30? I'm started down. A waste man that. Not like him none thought.
My dear, Zozo, you could never tell nothing for hurt me, my dear. I me take your money or a birth. Eh? I me take your money or a blood clot birth. So you couldn't tell me nothing for hurt me a blood clot, cause then I me take your money, sir. Hold it Delaware, hold up your blood clot stress. So come take out your stress by me. I me take it.
Brick them say you started.
But me giving me money long time.
Right. You're gonna come and take your blood clot money. Me da rob you too.
I am first.
You rob Brit whole heap of time, so she have time for rob you. Me rob Brit rob you. Hold it, Delroy, hold it. And me blood clot take nothing for you, me take nothing for you.
As the man come man start fire, what you doing?
I must say me take the 5 bills from him and him me get the 5 bills for Bert, not him. So me not care what him want to say, cause that can't hurt me. And I me take the money. Yeah. Hello, okay. You come here and ask if she rich.
You just know that? She did a nice injection.
Jaden! Time and place, pussy.
Sorry.
That's not nice.
I'm sorry, darling. I'm sorry.
What the fuck, dear boy?
I'm sorry. That's not nice, Jaden. That's not nice.
Yeah, the food done.
No. Yeah, but like.
I'm just shit.
No bumbo clat ask me what to be boy. You hear me I tell you? Oh.
Brit, I want a nice, beautiful girl.
And I just know that a long time.